things from Createl. I'm pretty excited. So for today's video, I am going to unbox this really cool package that we got today in English from Createl Publishing. And it's for the whole faculty, so we're going to see what's inside. Alright, we've got a 2019 calendar with some beautiful pictures on it. This one I think was for free. This is a 2019 wall calendar, so it can go this way or it can go vertical. I've got some helpers helping me film this, so I've got 2 desktop planners for a week at a view, and all these, so we've got like 6 or 7 teachers I think in our faculty. So these are the refills for the day book, the planner, the day to a page planner from Createl, and it's a secondary edition. Can you see it? Yep. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5? Oh no. I think there's only 5 actually, and then there's another management one. And this is, actually I talked about this in my video last year from Createl because this is really cool. This is the assessment record book, so you get to write about all the students in here and keep up to date with everything. It's really good for formative assessment. And so 1, 2, she's ordered, my boss has ordered 1 per person, I think. 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is actually cool too. This one, I think they've updated the version because it looks slightly different. Well, the cover looks different, but the inside is the same. So in here, you have a space for all of your meetings to put notes, minutes, whatever, for each meeting that you have at school. And it's got these tabs across the top. So you can actually write on here, like, you know, faculty meetings, staff meetings, whatever, parent meetings, whatever. Yep. Get it? There's more. So this is the beautiful folder that you get, leather folder that you can purchase that fits like your day book in it, because it's the 3-ring binder. And this one's the management one, which this one is for my boss, so I won't open it, but it's the management version, which is very cool. And I think they said this one for free actually. This one is another wall planner, so this, not wall, a desk planner. This one I think is month at a glance, yeah, January, so it's 1 month per page. And then the last thing is, and I've not seen this before, but I'm really intrigued by it, it's the professional teaching portfolio. So I think this one is for like if you're doing your accreditation. Yes, it is. So I can see across the top here are the tabs for your different standards. No, that's not right. Sorry, the tabs are professional practice, professional learning, professional development, certificates and supporting evidence, and curriculum vitae and documents. This would be really useful if you're your first or second year out and you're trying to get your accreditation done. So, all of these things from Createl, I'm pretty excited, and I have a discount code for Createl. It's KF10 if you want to get 10% off when you order your Createl.